Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I turn my nails from looking crusty into looking so glamorous as if we just came out of the salon for literally under 10 bucks. So to start off, we're going to start off with bare clean hands. These are what my nails look like. They're very short, thin, and just really hard to work with. Anyways, the pack I'm going to be using is this China Glaze nail tips. This is the Grinch collection that they just came out with. I'm not sure if they sell these anymore, but yeah. We're also going to use a cuticle remover. The cuticle remover I got was from the Dollar Tree, so everything in this video is literally under $10. So when you first open the packaging, in the back it will always have a glue, a wooden stick for the cuticles, and a nail file. So for the first step, we're actually going to grab the wooden stick and just push back all the cuticles, ensuring that they are all pushed back, and that way we can cut all the dead skin off. Make sure you guys take your time with this just because it will give you a salon effect. So it'll actually make them look as if you got them done at the salon and had acrylics done when you didn't. Can you guys see all that dead skin? Yuck. So after removing the cuticles, we're actually just going to be grabbing the nails one by one and just finding the right size for each finger. And then once we find the right size for each finger, we're just going to place that on the side so that way I won't get confused when it comes to putting the nails on. Also, a quick little tip: if you find a nail that perfectly fits the finger, look on the back and there should be a number, and then just look for the other number for the other nail. Once picking each nail out, I'm going to grab the nail file. This is actually an old nail file that I had in another nail kit. So I'm just going to be using the blue side because that is the side that is going to just buff out all of the nail. You want to go lightly, not like they do in the salon and literally just go ham with it. You want to go very lightly, as much as you can take, because I do have really thin nails, so I like to do it myself just because this is what makes the glue stay on longer. So now that that is all done, we're going to be grabbing the nail glue that is inside the kit. By the way, if you guys are thinking of buying a different nail glue, don't, because this nail glue is actually amazing. It made my nails last up to 2 weeks, which could have lasted longer. I just got tired of them, so I removed them at 2 weeks. But to apply the nails straight, we just want to apply them like right on top and align them with your natural nails. That's as best of an advice I can give you to make sure that they're straight, but you're going to want to press them for like about 10 seconds and just press on tight as much as you can handle, because the pressure that you apply to it will ensure that the nails also stay on longer. And just look at that difference. Isn't that insane? Like, it looks like I literally just went to the salon. Now that the nails are done being placed on, we're going to go back in with the nail file with the pink soft side. We're just going to file away any of the extra excess that comes on the bottom of the nails. And that is it, you guys. This is how you turn your nails from looking crusty into glamorous and as if you just got them done at the salon for under $10. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. I love you guys so much, and until next time.